In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy iCloud storage using Apple Pay. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to expand their iCloud storage capacity efficiently and securely directly from your device. Let's dive into the process and get you set up in no time. First, to kick things off, grab your iPhone or iPad because that's where all the magic happens. You'll want to start by opening your device's settings. You can easily locate the Settings app by looking for the grey icon with gears on your home screen. Once you're in, tap on your name at the top. This section of your settings is where we manage your Apple ID, iCloud, iTunes and App Store account preferences all in one spot. Continue by selecting iCloud. Here you'll see a whole host of features and apps that use iCloud, but today we'll specifically focus on storage. Tap on Manage Storage, which will then guide you to the Change Storage Plan page. At this point, you're on your way to customizing a plan that suits your needs. When the storage plan options appear, it's time to choose what best fits your lifestyle and data needs. Apple conveniently provides a few choices: 50 GB for lighter usage, 200 GB if you need a bit more space, or a hefty 2-tier double for those with extensive storage demands. Pick whichever plan makes the most sense for you. Now find the buy or upgrade button and give it a tap. This action shifts us into the payment portion of this journey. Make sure all your payment credentials are ready and you'll soon finalize your upgraded storage plan. Once you've progressed to the payment screen, it's time to select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. If you've already set up Apple Pay on your device, it will automatically fill in your details, hassle-free and ready for confirmation. However, if you haven't yet set up Apple Pay, no worries. Simply navigate to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and follow the prompts to add a card. It's quick and easy and ensures all your transactions are securely handled. After selecting Apple Pay, confirm your purchase using Face ID. If you're using an iPhone with facial recognition, or Touch ID if your device has a fingerprint scanner. This is the last step in ensuring a secure transaction as you finalize your purchase. Once confirmed, you should receive an immediate notification that your purchase was successful. The confirmation means your new iCloud storage plan has taken effect, and you can start enjoying more space for your photos, apps, and files. And just like that, you've successfully purchased more iCloud storage using Apple Pay. This method is not only convenient, but also adds a layer of security to your payment process. I hope this guide has been easy to follow, and now you can manage your data storage needs with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.